up feeling good. My body feels relaxed. I stretch my arms slowly. I like the way I act. The morning feels gentle. The light is soft and warm. I feel ready for the day. I feel safe and calm.
I breathe in nice fresh air. I smile and feel okay.
This good feeling inside helps me start my day.
I feel good right now. I feel strong and light. I feel good right now. Everything feels right. I feel good today.
My mind feels clear. I feel good today. I am happy here. I walk at a steady pace. I enjoy where I am. I listen to soft sounds. They help me feel calm. I do simple little things. I do them with care. Feeling good inside is something I can share.
I do not rush or stress. I take my time and see.
Feeling good comes from being kind to me.
I feel good right now. I feel strong and light. I feel good right now. Everything feels right.
I feel good today. My mind feels clear. I feel good today. I am happy here. I talk with friendly people. I listen when they speak. Sharing kind, simple words makes my whole day sweet. I feel thankful for moments, big or small and true. Feeling good inside helps me do what I do.
Feeling good does not mean every day is the same.
It means I choose calm thoughts, no stress and no blame.
I take care of myself. I slow down and breathe. Feeling good is a habit I choose to believe. I feel good right now. I feel strong and light. I feel good right now. Everything feels right.
I feel good today. My mind feels clear. I feel good
Today
I am happy here. The day moves on gently. The sun goes down slow. I think about the moments that helped me grow. I feel calm and thankful as night comes near. Feeling good today feels honest and clear. I close my eyes softly. I rest my tired mind.
feeling good inside is gentle and